The for you. Pipe that inside the wall.
What do you mean a bigger drain?
So code says a bathtub, because technically the drain is above the ground, can have 1.5 inch drain. Any drain that is in the slab or below has to be 2 inches because of access. So a shower has to be 2 inches. 2 inches is about yay big.
Okay.
That's still 1.5 inch line for a bathtub.
Okay.
And we're gonna end up having to dig
Ties
out,
into that.
maybe even chip out right there.
Okay.
To tie into that stack. This stack is actually that's a 2 inch stack. So
Yeah.
the line under
That's okay.
the ground needs to be that size.
Get on up and out of here. And Charles is up next.
Came for lightning strikes every time.